In this video, you will learn how to carry out a yearly service of the membrane module in your GDM system. This task should be carried out by a trained technician, as the membranes are very sensitive and should not be touched to avoid damaging them.
Annual service of the membrane modules ensures that water treatment system remains functional over the long term. Sediments are removed and the tightness of valves and connections is controlled. Otherwise, they could start to leak and that water could enter the treatment system and contaminate it. To conduct yearly service of the membranes, you need a spanner, a ladder, a brush or a broom, a piece of cloth or a sponge, a jerry can or a basin, a screwdriver, and a spare clip with screws.
The service has got 7 steps. Step 1, close all the valves between the membrane tank and the clean water tank. Step 2, flush the membrane tank by opening the valve at the bottom of the tank. Step 3, use a ladder to enter the tank. Clean the remaining sediments at the bottom of the tank by using a brush or broom, sponges or clothes, and a jerry can. Be careful that you do not touch the membrane module while cleaning the tank. Step 4, check the connections of the pipes of the membrane module. Are the screws tight? Step 5, change rusty or damaged parts if necessary and tighten all the screws. Step 6, close the valve at the bottom of the membrane tank and refill it with water. Step 7, after the membrane modules are covered, open the valve between the membrane tank and the clean water tank. Now, the system is operating again as normal.
This video has taught you how to do a yearly service of the membrane module in your GDM system. The yearly service will contribute to the reliable production of safe water and enhance the lifespan of your membrane module.